Discuss about molecularity and order. First, we'll start for molecularity. Okay. So let us discuss molecularity. So what is molecularity? Molecularity of a reaction is defined as the number of reacting molecules colliding with each other to form product. Okay. Or number of molecules participating in the reaction, that is called molecularity. So केतेटा molecule collide करूचंती बा केतेटा molecule react करूची ताको डिपेंड करिकी हमें molecularity रो different classification अछि. So molecularity of a reaction is defined as the number of reacting species or molecules or ions collide simultaneously with each other to form the product. Okay. So first come to unimolecular reaction. Unimolecular reaction, or you can say molecularity is one. Molecularity is one. If one molecule is participating in the reaction, that is called unimolecular reaction, or we can say molecularity is one. One molecule is participating in the reaction, or one molecule determines the rate of the reaction. For example, a product, one is giving the product. So molecularity is one. For example, N2O5 on heating gives N2O4 and half. Since the reactant side we have taken is one molecule of N2O5, the molecularity of the reaction is 1, because one molecule of nitrogen pentoxide on heating produces one molecule of N2O4 and half molecule of O2. Molecularity does not refer to the number of molecules in the product. It does not refer to this side. It refers to only reactant side. How many number of reactant molecule we have taken? So in this case, we have taken one molecule of N2O5. So molecularity is 1. Then come to bimolecular reaction. Bimolecular reaction, or we can say molecularity is 2. Bimolecular reaction, or molecularity is 2. Molecularity is 2. Bimolecular reaction. In this case, two molecules are colliding with each other to form the product. For example, if we take one molecule of A and one molecule of B to form product. So in this case, we have taken one molecule of A and one molecule of B. So two molecules are colliding with each other, or you can say two species. One species is A and other species is B. Two species are colliding with each other to form the product. For example, if you take hydrolysis of ester in alkaline medium, but ester plus alkali is forming CH3CONA plus C2H5OH. We have taken one molecule of ester and one molecule of NOH to form the product. So two molecules are colliding with each other. So molecularity is 2. So you can say it is a bimolecular reaction. It is a bimolecular reaction. two molecules are participating in the rate of the reaction. It is bimolecular reaction. Then come to trimolecular reaction. Three molecules are participating in the rate of the reaction. Trimolecular reaction. Suppose 2A plus B product, or you can say A plus 2B product. A plus 2B product. So two molecules of A and one molecule of B. One molecule of A and two molecules of B. So it is called trimolecular reaction, or we can say molecularity of the reaction is 3, because three molecules are simultaneously colliding with each other. Since three molecules are simultaneously colliding with each other, we can say molecularity of the reaction is 3. For example, 2NO, two molecules of NO and one molecule of O2 forming 2NO2. So 2NO2 is the product. But in the reactant side, we have taken two molecules of NO, one molecule of O2. Two molecules of NO and one molecule of O2 forming two molecules of NO. So two molecules of NO is colliding with one molecule of O2, or we can say there is collision between two molecules of NO and one molecule of O2 to form the product. So molecularity is 3. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. Molecularity is 3. Next one, important question. Is there any zero molecular reaction, or molecularity can be zero or not? Never. Molecularity never becomes zero. It is always a whole number, 1, 2, 3. So this is about the molecularity of a reaction. We have discussed a single step reaction. In a multi-step reaction, how can you determine the molecularity? Suppose in a chemical reaction, suppose A plus B product, B plus 2C product, A plus B product, B plus 2C product. Suppose this is fast reaction, this is slowest. B plus 2D product. Suppose in a multi-step reaction, one must be the slowest step. So first we find which is the slowest step. So in this case, this is the slowest step. So count the number of molecules in the slowest step. One molecule of B and two molecules of C. So 1 plus 2. So 3 molecules we have taken in the slowest step. So molecularity is 3. So in a multi-step chemical reaction means more than one step are required to complete the reaction. So in that reaction, we have to find out the slowest step that will be given in the question. Then you calculate the molecularity. So 1 molecule of B and 2 molecules of C combining 3 molecules of combining to form product. Since in the reactant 2 molecules of C and 1 molecule of B, 2 plus 1, 3 molecules we have taken in the reaction. So molecularity is 3. Okay. So this is about molecularity. Then we will go for order of a chemical reaction. Order of reaction. Molecularity refers to the number of molecules colliding with each other. But order of a chemical reaction depends upon the experimental parameter. It is experimentally determined quantity. Molecularity from the theory or from the chemical reaction, you can calculate the number of molecules, but from the chemical reaction, in every time we can calculate the order. So order depends upon the experimental condition or reaction condition. In most cases, molecularity becomes order, or order and molecularity are equal to each other. But in certain cases, molecularity and order are different from each other. Okay? So order of a chemical reaction is defined as sum of the powers of which sum of the powers of molar concentration reactant मानक जो मोलार concentration थाए मोलार concentration जो power रहिबो से power का हम मिसै दबा तर आमे पाई परिबा order. So sum of the powers कहा powers ना मोलार concentration term मानक power जे chemical reaction रे जो मोलार concentration थिबो तार power मानक हम ऐड कर दबा तर ताको हम पाई परिबा order. For example, A plus B product. So every chemical reaction, there is a rate law equation that will be given to you. For reaction A plus B product, there is a rate law. And rate law. So what is rate law? Every reaction has a rate law equation. What is rate law? In rate law, three parameters are there: rate constant, your rate, and concentration. So rate law, you have discussed details about rate law. So rate law equal to the rate R equal to rate constant K into molar concentration of reactant. So rate law defines the relationship between the rate R, the rate constant K, and molar concentration of reactant. For example, A plus B product. So the rate, suppose the rate law for this reaction is R equal to K, A to the power 1, B to the power 1. Suppose this is the rate law equation. So how can you calculate the order? I have told you, order is the sum of the power 1 plus 1. कहाँ power? Reactant or molar concentration. A is the reactant. So square bracket of A is the molar concentration of A. B is the reactant. So the square bracket of B is the molar concentration of B. Then rate law for this equation is R, the rate equal to rate constant into A to power 1, B to power 1. This is the rate law. How can you calculate the order? Sum of the power. कहाँ power? Reactant मानकर molar concentration of power का sum अतः निश्चय दबा देती ताला हम पाएगा order. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Order is 2. So depending upon the sum of the power, हमरो molar concentration रो power मानकर sum मिश्रण केते आसुची ताको डिपेंड करिकी ऑर्डर zero order hoy paribo, first order hoy paribo, it may be second order, it may be third order. So we will discuss one by one. So first order reaction. First order reaction. First order reaction. So in first order reaction, the rate of the reaction depends upon the concentration of a single reacting species. A product, if R is proportional to A to the power 1, that implies R equal to K A to the power 1, then since power of the molar concentration with reactant is A, since power of A is 1, we can say it is a first order reaction. So order refers to your power. Kahar power? Reactant of the molar concentration, the square bracket of the molar concentration of power kete rahuchi. Rate law equation re molar concentration of power kete rahuchi, se power ka hochi order. Since power is 1 here, it is a first order reaction. Example may be N2O5 heat kale ame kaiba N2O4 plus half O2 R equal to K N2O5 power 1. So it is an example of first order reaction. Okay. Then we'll discuss about second order reaction. So what is second order reaction? If power of the rate law equation is 2, then we can say it is a second order reaction. For example, A plus B product, if R equal to K A to the power 1 B to the power 1, what is this? This is rate law equation. And in the rate law equation, the power of A is 1 and power of B is 1. So sum of the power is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So order of the reaction is 2. For example, you take ester with alkali, CH3 CONA plus CH3 COO C2H5 plus CH3 CONA plus C2H5 OH. Ester plus alkali, sodium salt of acid plus alcohol. So in this case, the rate of equation R equal to K ester power 1, power of ester is 1 and power of NaOH is 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So it is an example of second order reaction. So hydrolysis of ester in alkaline medium. So you have to aqueous. Hydrolysis of ester in alkaline medium is an example of second order reaction. Because why the second order? Because in the rate law equation R equal to K ester power 1 NaOH power 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So order is 2. Then come to third order reaction. Third order reaction. If in the rate law equation the the sum of the power of the molar concentration term is 3, then it is a third order reaction. For example, 2a plus b product. So R equal to, we can write rate law equation k a square b to the power 1. If rate law equation is this, then order is 2 plus 1. 3 means third order reaction. Or you can say b plus a plus 2b product. Then R equal to a to the power 1, b to the power 2. So order depends upon your this equation, rate law equation. Rate law equation रे reactant मानकर power जहाँ थियो ताकू नहीं कि हमें order दो. So order is the sum of the power of the molar concentration term in the rate law equation. Rate law equation रे what is rate law equation? Rate law equation होची rate R equal to rate constant into molar concentration term raised to a power, which may be the coefficient of that reactant. Power का reactant को coefficient ले पाए. A रो power 2, तामाने A रो coefficient 2 है हमार chance नहीं होची. B रो power 1 and B रो coefficient होची 1. So order होची sum of the power of the molar concentration term of the reactant. That's called order of the reaction. Then come to zero order reaction. Zero order reaction. In zero order reaction, the rate of the reaction does not depend upon the concentration of reactant. The rate of reaction does not depend upon the concentration of reactant. ता माने rate law equation रे reactant रो power होची 0. काहे 0 होला? Why is 0? Because rate of the reaction does not depend upon the concentration. ता माने होची concentration बढ़ेले कि कमेले rate किसी चेंज हुए ना. सही केस रे हमें reactant रो power टा 0 आसे. For example, A equal to product, R is proportional to A to the power 0. ता माने होची rate depend करूनी A रो concentration ऊपर. अरे A power हमें 0 लिख पाए. जो केस रे rate does not depend upon the concentration. Does not depend upon the concentration means concentration बढ़ेले कि कमेले rate बढ़िबनी कि कमिबनी, rate constant हो. सही केस रे हमें concentration term of the reactant is 0. Rate equal to R equal to K A to the power 0. Since power of the concentration term is 0, we can say zero order reaction. Now this is our rate law equation. Why is power 0? Because rate law equation is a experimentally determined quantity. Reaction सरिला पर हमें कही परिका power के आसे. Reaction सरिला पर जाना पड़ा जे power is 0. Power 0 माने rate of the reaction does not depend upon the concentration. Rate of the reaction का concentration ऊपर depend करूनी. सही पाए हमें power 0 देखा. ताकि हमें 0 order reaction करें. और example ले परिका well known example H2 plus Cl2 2HCl. এটা আমি কোন এক্সপেক্ট করছে molecularly 2 order 2 হবা কথা but order is 0. why 0? at least ଅଛି R is proportional to H2 power 0, R is proportional to Cl2 power 0. Rate does not depend upon the concentration. Does not depend upon the concentration means power of the reactant is 0. So what is is rate law equation? This is experimental evidence. Rate law equation R equal to K H2 power 0 Cl2 power 0. The rate law equation रे power of the reactant 0 आसुची तले आमे कहि परिबा order होउची 0 plus 0. So in every case your power does not match to coefficient 1 1 अछि किंतु एक्सपेरिमेंट सरला परे तो रेट लॉ इक्वेशन आसला रेट लॉ इक्वेशन रे पावर 0 आसला तार ऑर्डर कहां पर डिपेंड करे रेट लॉ एक्सप्रेशन रे पावर केता आसुची रेट लॉ एक्सप्रेशन रे पावर 0 आसुची सो ऑर्डर होची 0 plus 0 इट इज 0 ऑर्डर रिएक्शन इट इज an example of 0 order reaction. So rate depends upon the power of the concentration term in the rate law expression. Okay, so this is about 0 order reaction. Then we will give a distinguish between molecularity and order. The question will come: how can you distinguish? Question will come: distinguish between molecularity and order. Distinguish between molecularity and order. So how can you distinguish between molecularity and order? How can you distinguish between molecularity and order? Let me have discussed and write one by one. So first write the definition. Molecularity, what is molecularity? What is order? So molecularity is defined as the number of reacting molecules. Number of reacting molecules collide with each other to form the product. Number of reacting molecules collide simultaneously with each other to form product. Number of reacting molecules collide simultaneously with each other to form product. That is called molecular. Order is sum of the powers. Sum of the powers of molar concentration term in the rate law. Rate law is molar concentration of sum of the power of the molar concentration term in the rate law. Rate law रे molar concentration रो power केते रहउची से power को मिसै दबा तला पाई परिबा ऑर्डर. Suppose rate law equation R equal to K A to the power x B to the power y. So order equal to x plus y. Order is x plus y. So x plus y is the order of the reaction. Molecularity is a theoretically determined quantity. Theoretically determined quantity means हम reaction देखिले हमें molecularity कहि परिबा. Molecularity it is determined theoretically. Theoretically means if you see the chemical reaction you can calculate the molecularity. But order is not theoretical. Order is an experimentally determined quantity. Order is an experimentally determined quantity. Why it is experimentally determined quantity? Because order can be calculated from rate law equation, and our rate law equation is experimentally determined quantity. हमरा chemical reaction सरी सारला परे the rate law equation बाहर से rate law equation रो हम order आगे बढ़े, and rate law equation you know I have written r equal to k a to the power x b to the power y. सेटा experiment सरी सारला परे गोटे rate law equation आसे से rate law equation में हम order पाई पाई. So order is the experimentally determined quantity, but molecularity is theoretically determined quantity. Next point difference is order may be zero, may be fraction, may be whole number. Order may be zero, may be fraction, may be whole number. But molecularity never becomes zero or fraction. It is always a whole number. Molecularity is always whole number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It never becomes zero. Zero केबे आबनी molecularity. Whole number आसीबो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fraction भी आबनी. 1.5 आबनी, 2.5 आबनी, 3.5 आबनी. So molecularity सब बळे आसीबो whole number रे. केते बळे zero आसीबोनी, कि fraction आसीबो. With order zero होई परिबो, fraction होई परिबो, और whole number मध्य होई परिबो. So these are the three basic difference between molecularity and order.